Why is my Wi-Fi not working?
Wi-Fi problems are common in many homes and can be caused by several issues. The most frequent reasons include a weak signal, equipment that needs rebooting, router location, or simple interference. Sometimes the Wi-Fi password might be incorrect, or your device may not be connected properly. Understanding these reasons is the first step to getting back online quickly.
How do I restart my router or modem?
Restarting your router or modem is often the easiest fix for Wi-Fi issues. Unplug the power cable from your router and modem, wait about 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Allow a few minutes for the devices to fully restart. This clears minor glitches and can restore your connection without changing any settings.
What if my signal is weak?
A weak Wi-Fi signal can be caused by the distance between your device and the router, or physical obstacles like walls. Try moving closer to the router or relocating the router to a central, open spot. Avoid placing it near microwaves or cordless phones, as they can interfere with the signal. A signal booster can also help in large homes.
Why can't my device connect to Wi-Fi?
If your device won't connect, double-check your Wi-Fi password and make sure your device's Wi-Fi is turned on. Restart the device to refresh its network connection. If the problem persists, try forgetting the Wi-Fi network on your device and reconnecting. Sometimes, too many devices on one network can slow things down, so disconnect unused gadgets if possible.
How can I prevent Wi-Fi problems in the future?
To avoid future issues, keep your router's firmware updated and place the router in a central location. Reduce interference by moving other electronics away from the router. Limit the number of connected devices if possible. Setting a strong password can also prevent unwanted users from slowing down your network. Regularly restarting your equipment can help maintain a strong connection.